Scotts Run actually belongs to a larger ecosystem called the Potomac Gorge. And the Potomac Gorge stretches 15 miles from Riverbend Park down to Theodore Roosevelt Island. It contains many rare species and plant communities. And the one thing neat about Scotts Run, it has very steep terrain. It has pristine streams that run through it. So I always like to think of it as it's the mountains close to home. And I think people find that when they do come to Scotts Run. You know, this is a beautiful protected area. It's one of the few preserves that Fairfax County Park Authority manages. And, you know, we want people to come here. It's a beautiful place. The resources draw them. But there's just some are using it irresponsibly.
One of the most significant areas of damage is the litter. As large groups of people are coming in, they're bringing glass bottles and all sorts of trash, leaving it behind. It's getting into the water system, which is polluting the waters. This water flows into the Chesapeake Bay. So we're very concerned about the litter and trash problems here.
We've been seeing graffiti show up on one of the most, attractive features of the park, and that's the waterfall. We do know we have visitors in the park after dark, which is trespassing. And some of the other problems that you don't think about is just all the people that are entering the water to swim and wade. Each time that happens, they're eroding parts of the stream bank as well as affecting habitat on the bottom of the stream.
So now we've asked the police to come in with enforcement of the rules and regulations.
We will be assisting the Park Authority throughout the entire summer with the issues they've been having here at Scotts Run Nature Preserve. We are going to have officers doing patrols throughout the weekends and weekdays to assist with any violations. We will be enforcing any violations we see, such as swimming, trespassing after dark, illegal drinking, underage drinking, and also if anyone's leaving the parking lots after consuming too much alcohol, we will be out there on the roads as well.
Our end goal is just to educate people and just to get them to think that they are in a pretty special place and to take care of it like they would something their own.
Our hope is that people enjoy our parks, but enjoy them appropriately. We want people to follow the rules and the regulations and to enjoy the resource that we have here at Scotts Run.